Here's an unboxing of the new Lightning to USB cable. I will use it in my old iPhone 4 charger. I just switched the cable to this. It's for the new, smaller Lightning connector. Here's the cable. As you can see, USB 2.0, unfortunately. And the Lightning dock connector. I had hoped for that this Lightning dock connector should support USB 3.0, but it didn't. Unfortunately, that's too bad. What's more in the box? So, here we go. Some instructions and warranty and such. Nothing special. Quite simple packaging. But that's it.